How to freeze your location on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can freeze the location in your Snapchat. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat application and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now, in order to freeze your location, let's go ahead and tap onto the location logo. As you do so, tap on the settings icon on your top right. Now, if you don't have your ghost mode toggled on, make sure you toggle it on and turn on. At this page, if the ghost mode is disabled, toggle it on to enable it and tap on until turned off. Now, in case you would like to hide your live location, toggle on the option of hide my live location and tap on until turned off again. Now let's go ahead and open up the settings application. Scroll below and tap onto apps. Here, search for Snapchat. Under permissions, you will see location. Tap onto it and tap on don't allow. As you do so, this is how you can freeze Snapchat location. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back. We will catch you up in our next upload.